Good morning children, this is your EVS notebook. Okay, so write first of all today's date. Today's date is 7th January 2021. Okay, we saw the sound of dog. Now today we will see the sound of cat. Okay, dog barks. What is spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. And what is spelling of barks? B-A-R-K-S, barks. Okay. Now today cat. Okay. Today we will learn cat. Sound of cat. Okay. See. C-A-T, cat. Cat mews. M-E-W-S, mews. Full stop. Cat mews. Okay. See, you can write a cat mews. A cat mews. A cat mews. M-E-W-S, mews. Full stop, full stop, full stop. Okay. A cat mews. M-E-W-S, mews. A cat mews. M फिनिश होने के बाद E, देन W और W ऐसे कंप्लीट करना है, देन राइट S. ओके, mews, फुल स्टॉप. ओके चिल्ड्रन, राइट दिस कंप्लीट पेज. ओके, दिस इज योर EVS होमवर्क. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाय.